Alright, so I'm going to unbox my air fryer. There's a picture of it. Not easy. So in here we have the paperwork, and then styrofoam, and wonderful air fryer. I've heard so much about it. So I'm going to try it out today and see how it works. Thing is not easy. Okay. And there it is. Has a timer and has the temperature gauge here, and it has lights on top to indicate whether or not it's cooking or done or whatever. So that's my air fryer. And then I take the tape off here, and here, and here so I can wash it. And then the door opens like that. You have the little grill here and the paperwork underneath there. And so the grill will go on there like that, and then you will put your meat on there and it'll air fry it for you. So that comes out, easy to clean, and I'm going to clean this up real good, and then I'm going to air fry some chicken wings. Okay, so I've set my timer for 30 minutes on my air fryer, and it's already started, but the temperature is set to 375, and it will not start cooking until I put the pan up in there. So I'm going to add the chicken to the air fryer basket. So let's put that in there like that. Okay, there's all my chicken wings. And you don't want to put any oil on it. Take off my gloves. And there's the chicken. Looking real good. So as soon as I put that up in there, it's going to start cooking. So you can see the lights here showing you that it's starting. And I think that one of the lights will turn green once it gets to, cooks for 30 minutes. But this is the timer setting, and this is the temperature gauge. So I put it on 375, and I think I put about 8 wings in there, but as you saw, I cut the wings up. Okay, so it's starting to cook, and so in about 30 minutes it should. Okay, so the wings are done. I like my wings extra crispy. Well done. There they are. Now I'll try them and see how they turn out. And now I'm making cabbage. And there's the wings in my air fryer. Okay, so now I'm going to season the wings a little bit more by using zesty Italian dressing. I'm going to pour a little bit in here. I've already shaken it up. Then I'm going to put the wings in here. They come out really good. So then I'm going to shake that up, put the lid on it. So I can find the lid real quick. I have a lid. So this one is too big. Let's see if I have the right one. There we go. And I'll put that lid on there and turn it over and let it marinate the wings. Okay. Now these wings cook for about an hour. So there you go. Let's see. Mmm. Mmm. They're done, but I'm going to put them back in the grill for a little while with the marinade on it and let it cook while the cabbage is cooking. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. I'm going to add the wings back to the bowl. They're nice and crispy looking. And let me get my utensil. And those look good. Now they're really well done. I do not like undone chicken. And if you want to see what the grease looks like in the bottom of the grill, this is what it looks like. Okay. But this is what my wings look like. Now that part of the grill, so you can put this in the dishwasher, and you can also put this other piece that I just showed you in the dishwasher and wash it that way. There's my wings. They're looking pretty good. And I'm going to have some wings and cabbage. Thank you for watching.